Hey, so I've been working on this new map. This is a house I've been working on. I know I'm really dark. I didn't bake probes in here, so you're not going to be able to see me like anywhere. Like this is the brightest I'm probably going to be. Um, but I want to do like just a quick walk around so I can show the space because I really like how it's coming. The bake is really bad. I didn't really put lights anywhere where they need to actually go, but I do want to show what I have so far and what it looks like. So right now I have you spawning at the front door. I'm just going to show you what the whole house looks like. It's a little dark. I think I'm going to brighten up the whole thing because you can't even like really see down there. Well, you can a little bit. Those little bright spots all the way over there, those are like random planes that I had like things textured to. So this is the house, and the side of the house looks like this. You can see my horrible light baking. Oh wait, no, I think those are supposed to be the shadows of the trees that are right here that you can't see. Both sides wrap around. This is, I guess you could say, like my second mansion. It's kind of the same design. It's kind of the same design on the outside, kind of. Well, I guess not really. Back here it is. The interior is like completely different. I think it looks really good though. I'm gonna go, actually, yeah, I'm gonna go back around the front and then I'm going to just go through the front door. Actually, I'll go through the garage and I can show you the garage. I want to animate this like I did the mansion. I think that'd be cool. I thought that was a really good feature. I just like when I did it with the mansion, it was so tedious to like fucking animate all those in sync to go to the top, and it's not even that good. I mean, it's good enough, but it's not that great. I use this cube to scale, and then when you walk in, I'm gonna. So this is the front door. When you come in, you got stairs, and then this room. Things are clearly not textured properly. This isn't even built out yet, but there's the balcony. And then I've got this room. I have no idea how I'm going to fill that up. And I've got this room, which I need to start working on a dining room table and some chairs. I need to get like some artwork in here too. Gotta figure out what I want. Something classy. This is like a little hallway, garage. This is gonna be a bathroom, another hallway, kitchen, which wraps around into the living area. And then I've got a door to the back right there. There's a garage. This is the master bedroom. And then the door to go to the outdoor balcony right here. I really like this outdoor balcony. And I only have one reflection probe in here, so and it's outside and it's working on the wood in here, which looks really nice. It's not working on the wood inside, otherwise it would look way better. All right, let's go upstairs and I can show you this. So I put a bedroom over here, and then I've got windows in here you can see outside. Oh, this is so good, so dark over here. I mean, it's shit, but like there's potential with these windows and darkness. I like that. Um, then I got a room here. This room's kind of wacky because there's no windows, but there's a bathroom in here. And then there's a big room here. There's going to be a bathroom there. Um, got some windows. I'm stuck because I never put colliders on these. I've got like this little area over here. I don't know what I'm probably just gonna fill this up with like a sofa and some blankets or something. This is supposed to be like a super cozy area. Obviously, it's not really textured yet at all. You can still see the roof texture and then like part of the brick texture here. You can see out the front window here. the original idea was like the first floor of the house was going to be like very like how you wouldn't expect a home, very basic and stuff. Up here it was going to be like the comfy chill area. I initially wasn't going to have this room there, but I wanted the windows on the side because it looked really good, so I ended up building it out anyways. um, but honestly, the several bedrooms that are in here are kind of overboard. How many rooms is this place? This place is it's a master, 3 bedrooms up here, one master, three, four with the one in the basement. This is a 5 bedroom, one, two, three, four, five, six bathroom, 5 bedroom, 6 baths. This is a big house. The stairs to the basement is right over here. And right now down here is completely empty. I have an idea down here. I'm not going to explain what it is yet. Um, but it's supposed to be much different from the upstairs or the third floor. If you come in here, this is the last bedroom. This is another really big room. I think this is going to be the bathroom. I've got like a little window up there. And then this is going to be like a closet, but right now it just kind of goes into nothing. There's all this space over here. And let's go out down here and you can see the bottom porch to the balcony, stairs there, and that's pretty much it. There's not like a way to get to the roof yet, though I kind of want there to be, but I kind of don't want to like mess up the floor plan of the house at all to make that happen. I also don't think you need to get on the roof, but I know people are gonna want to. At least I'm gonna want to also. Oh, I should just make like a secret teleport up there, and then people can struggle while I'm up there. I don't know. Quick video. I just wanted to show my progress on this because I've been working on this for several weeks now, and it's finally starting to come along. There's, other than like the bake, which is obviously shit. There's like little issues like how this wall doesn't go all the way down. Um, and other stuff like that. I'm not really worried about the Unity stuff at the moment, just because it's not really there yet. I kind of only really put it in so I can double check scale to make sure everything's good and run around here in VR, so I know that it's good, and it's pretty good. I'm really liking this stuff, and I like the assets that I'm making in here. So that's it. I just wanted to show it. I guess that's all I got for you people. Bye.